Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Operation Sadbhav. India launched Operation Sadbhav to provide emergency relief to Myanmar, Laos, and Vietnam. The relief effort responds to the severe flooding caused by Typhoon Yagi, which has devastated these countries. Over 200 lives were lost and thousands were displaced due to the typhoon's impact. The Indian Air Force and Navy are playing a key role in delivering humanitarian assistance. About Typhoon Yagi. Typhoon Yagi is one of Asia's most powerful storms this year, originating from the South China Sea. The typhoon caused torrential rainfall, leading to widespread flooding in Myanmar, Laos, and Vietnam. Over 170 people were killed in Vietnam and around 40 in Myanmar due to the storm. The flooding has displaced thousands and caused significant damage to infrastructure in the affected regions. About Operation Sadbhav. Operation Sadbhav is India's humanitarian initiative to assist its neighboring countries affected by Typhoon Yagi. India provided aid to Myanmar, Laos, and Vietnam in the form of essential relief materials. The Indian Air Force and Navy were tasked with delivering supplies using aircraft and naval vessels. The operation demonstrates India's solidarity with its neighbors and its ability to respond swiftly to regional crises. Now it's time for the practice question. Which countries are receiving aid under India's Operation Sadbhav? Myanmar, Laos, Vietnam, Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, Laos, Thailand, Philippines, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Vietnam. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.